Hey guys, it's Ben from Wrench Benders here. I just got done installing Vixen Air's air suspension valve manifold on the International Lodestar project. It allows me to control all four corners of my air ride system with speed, accuracy, and the powerful 8 solenoids that are on the valve manifold itself. It's got a 7-switch pendant. That way you have the control right in the palm of your hands. So we're going to take a look at where I've got it mounted at and how it works in my truck. So it's so small and compact, I was actually able to mount it underneath my seat because I didn't have a lot of room in the dash with the old stuff back there. And there it is right there, mounted under the seat with your 8 solenoids. That's what you're seeing here. The top of those is the solenoids themselves. They're all right here in this black body. And then the red valve body underneath, the machined aluminum, is there for all the plumbing to go into and go down underneath the truck. And then there's 4 ports that come off of that red body that allow you to take it to your gauges so you can monitor all the air pressure in the manifold for all 4 corners of the truck. So let's take a look at the pendant. So while driving the truck, I'm able to control the air ride system using this pendant that I keep tucked away when I'm not using it. And it's actually got a switch on top of it there that you could turn off and back on. That way if you want to tuck it away and make sure no switches are hit, just turn it off. And so the 4 outside switches control the 4 corners of the truck. The bottom switch controls the rear of the truck together. The center switch controls all 4 corners, and the top switch controls the front alone. And if you want to take air out of the system, and then this right here will put air back in the system, and that just controls the rear. You can do each individual set of bags in the rear just by doing the outside switches, and the same for the front. After installing the valve manifold and everything else I put on the truck from Vixen Air, we took it for a 500-mile road trip and tested the components out on the road, and it worked great. If you're looking for a way to control all 4 corners of your air ride system in the palm of your hand, I highly recommend the Vixen Air Suspension Manifold. It gives you full control, and it's a nice compact setup with a quality remote. If you guys are looking for a valve manifold or any other component for your air suspension, look at Vixen.